Hey guys, so we will be installing MySQL Community Server in our Mac operating system, and we will choose 8.4.5 LTS long-term support. This will be much more stable, so we will choose macOS, and for the OS version we will choose macOS 15 ARM 64-bit for M1, M2 and M3 based processors. Then simply click on the DMG archive download. So it is asking us to make an account. We will not do that, no thanks, and simply download it. So it's downloading. Open the download and let me open it, the installer, allow it and click on continue, agree, allow, install for all users of this computer, yes. Then if you want to change the location you can change, otherwise click on install, put your MacBook password. Once this is done, now this step is extremely important. You need to create one root user password which will be used in your MySQL Workbench to connect your server with the Workbench. So remember the password as well. Now click on finish, again put your password, this time MacBook password. Yeah, now you can close the installer or keep it aside. We have to do a couple of more things. Open the terminal and write the command mysql -u root -p. So you can see zsh command not found mysql. At this step, if your MySQL server is running, well, that's good. But if it is not, you can go to settings. You can see at the end of your settings, you will have MySQL, which is servers are running, no issues. You can stop the server here from here as well. You can see the version as well. But the thing is, you need to do a couple of tweaks here to start your server. Write command cd and tilt this one and ls -a. You can see you will have one file .zshrc, which is extremely important. You need to set your path in this file. ls-a is to show all the hidden files and folders, okay? And you have one file called zshrc, which is extremely important to tell your terminal that this is the file, and inside this file you will find the SQL path. So we will set the path. So what we can do here is open .zshrc, and you can see it's empty because we have not added any path into it. Write the command export and path equals to your dollar symbol and then your SQL path, which we can find in the finder. Open your Spotlight, search usr user/local. Open the folder. You will find MySQL and your MySQL 8.4.5. Open this, open bin, and here below this my path is not showing, so that's not the issue. Go to view, click on show path bar and you will get the path. Click on this bin and you will copy bin as path name. Once you are done with this, go to terminal and then paste it here. Make sure it's correct, then simply click on command S to save and close this. Clear the terminal and close the terminal. Open it again, and if I write the command mysql -u root -p and hit enter, now you can see it is asking for the root password. We will enter that as well, and you can see MySQL server is working. It's very easy. Now we will install one more thing which is important. We need MySQL Workbench to write the queries. You can write in the terminal itself, but we are not going to use the terminal. Rather, we will use MySQL Workbench. Search for MySQL Community Server. Okay, not server. MySQL. Just search MySQL. We should get the community downloads. Yeah, and MySQL Workbench. You are in Mac and this one, it's loading. Simply download it. Again, no thanks, and download it. Open the downloaded file and simply drag to applications. If I show you the launchpad, you can see MySQL Workbench is there. Just open it. Let me close this one and it's opening. You can see it's already detected the root user. We will click on this and put your root password as I mentioned. This will be very important, and continue. You can see it's connected. You can write your queries here and run the queries using this You can see I wrote the query show databases, and you can see we are getting the databases.